Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I'll show you the causes of gel nail repelling and how to solve this problem. Have you ever experienced that the gel is repelling even though you have carefully applied it to every corner? This is a phenomenon that occurs under certain conditions. I will explain in an easy-to-understand manner what you should not do and what you should be careful of before applying gel. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Have you ever had the experience of applying gel nail polish? And even though you apply it thoroughly all the way to the edge of the nail, you later see that the color is somehow uneven. This is a phenomenon called gel repelling. No matter how beautifully you paint your nails, under certain conditions, the gel will start repelling the painted area. The gel will start repelling one after the other, so you have to reapply many times, which is something you want to do something about it. In this article, I would like to introduce the causes of this gel repelling and how to prevent it. First, let's start with the causes of gel repelling. The biggest cause of gel nail repelling is oil. There are various types of oil, from naturally occurring to artificially occurring. First of all, sebum is representative of naturally occurring oil. Human skin is covered with sebum to protect it from bacteria and viruses. When we casually touch our hair or scratch our face, sebum also gets on our nails. Applying gel nail polish with the sebum on it will cause the gel to repel. Just as oil on a frying pan causes food to slide off the pan. Gel nails will not adhere to the nail if there is oil on them. This sebum is a natural oil, but there are also artificial oils. These are oils such as hand creams and nail oils. Compared to sebum, this type of oil is much greasier and more difficult to remove. The reason why we announce that you should not apply hand cream or other oils on the day you go to the nail salon or the day before is because the oils will make the nails repel or not last long. Not only hand cream and nail oil, but also lotion, foundation, and other makeup products contain a lot of oil. Most gel repelling is caused by this oil content, but it can also be due to insufficient sanding. Especially if the nail surface is smooth, as it is after nail polishing, it will easily repel gel. The two main causes of repelling are this oil content and lack of sanding. Okay, let me show you how to prevent this gel from repelling. The first step is sanding. If the nail surface is too smooth, the gel will not stick to the nail and will easily repel. Therefore, after nail care, lightly sand the nail surface with a fine grit file to create scratches. If you do too much, you will damage your own nails, so it is okay to lightly cloud the nails. If possible, it is recommended to use a file with a sponge in between so as not to damage your own nails. Next is the most important method of removing oil. First, wipe the surface of the nail thoroughly with a small piece of kitchen paper moistened with ethanol for disinfection, which is usually used to prevent infection. You cannot wipe it off simply by stroking it quickly. The correct way is to wipe it off with force, as if using a rag. In addition, the skin around the nails is often raised, making it difficult for the kitchen paper to reach this area and leaving a lot of residue. Therefore, use a folded corner of the kitchen paper to wipe the nail thoroughly. This completes the oil removal process. After removing the oil, be careful not to touch your hair or face to avoid getting oil on them again. Also, do not use hand cream or nail oil on the day of gel nail application. This is because, unlike sebum, oil is very strong and it is difficult to wipe off the oil with ethanol alone. Therefore, keep your nails dry before applying gel, and moisturize them thoroughly with nail oil after finishing gel application. How did you like the causes of gel repelling and how to prevent it? A series of little things can prevent the gel from peeling and make it last longer. So please try to incorporate this into your gel nail care routine. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.